Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on modes and routines. After click on modes and routines, click on sleep mode. And if you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down and to click on apps, scroll down and search messages app, click on force stop. After force stop messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app and click on notifications, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management, click on reset and reset all settings, reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. It just reset all settings, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.